I still don't get it, Madam Chair. Why she cannot disclose it in public? Hindi po ba, Madam Chair, isn't it more natural to expose it in public so that she is protected? I don't get it, Madam Chair. I really don't get it. If you are having a death threat, you wanted to say it in public so that you can be protected. If you really wanted protection, Madam Chair. So it doesn't make sense. Hiding it doesn't make sense, Madam Chair.
I agree, Sen. Joel. Actually, kung talagang may death threat, mas talagang gustong, kung talagang humihingi ng proteksyon, walang kinalaman ng security threat din sa pagsagot lang tungkol sa pangalan ninyo. That's already established. The threat will not be made worse by confirming what is in documentary evidence. But in any case, gusto kong ipaalala sa iyo na ayon nga sa Supreme Court, in the case of the Office of Court Administrator VU, the right to self-incrimination does not prohibit legitimate inquiry in non-criminal matters. Ad nauseam na po ito. Halos naduduwal na po kami sa pag-ulit-ulit nito. No? Alice Guo, ladies and gentlemen, is continuing to lie to this committee despite glaring evidence that she is a Chinese national named Guo Huaping, whose father, Jian Zhongguo, is Chinese, based on her own declaration in this committee, and whose mother, Lin Wenyi, is also Chinese, based on her own declarations in bank documents, by the way, verified by the AMLAC. This is a blatant defiance of the legislative's constitutional power of inquiry. Lumalabas na pinaglalaroan mo ang aming batas, pinapaikot mo ang mga Pilipino. Pero ibahin mo ang Senado. Ibahin mo ang Senado. I move to cite Guo Huaping, also known as Alice Guo, in contempt of the Senate for testifying falsely and evasively before this committee.
Second the motion, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Sen. Joel.
Chair,
yes, Sen.
Madam Chair, when we were in recess kanina, the pending matter was the refusal to give us details of the death threats that she herself brought before us.
And
Siya nag-volunteer. She binolunteer niya sa information sa atin eh. Then pinupurso namin ayaw mong sagutin. Ngayon, I think the prevailing sentiment is hindi siya makahingi ng executive session. Sagutin niya ngayon lahat. Yung kasi kung totoo naman na may death threat ka, na-monitor ka na rin nung nagbigay ng death threat sa'yo, kahit may executive session, di alam na rin niya, sinabi mo na rin sa amin, ikaw pa rin yung source. Kaya hindi kami papayag sa executive session. Ngayon, ang prevailing sentiment, if I'm not mistaken, is you have to answer the questions relating to that particular subject matter na ikaw mismo ang nag-voluntaryo palabasin sa hearing na ito. Inumpisa ni Senator Bato and then si Senator Jinggoy. Kaya Madam Chair, doon ako sa ground na yon. If we should, kasi at least yun, there is no need to determine who is telling the truth eh. Wala tong ito we have I think Senate section here, if the refusal to cooperate or giving evasive answers, pwede na natin gamiting ground yun to cite the witness or the resource person in contempt. At Alice, sa lahat dito akong pinaka-lenient actually na ayaw ka i-cite in contempt eh. Pero in this particular case, kahit anong pag-isipin ko, you have to answer eh. You have to answer, and if you want if we require you to answer publicly, you have to answer. You can invoke a right, pero pag-usapan namin yun. But when we deny that you are not entitled to such a right, then you have to answer. Otherwise, mako-contempt ka talaga. So I'm presenting that alternative ground, Madam Chair. If we can use that, kasi parang pagkalap ko nung nag-break tayo, that was the hanging matter na rinaise ni Senator Bato, followed up by Senate President Pro Tempore.
Actually, there are two hanging matters. Isa na yung tungkol sa death threat na yan. Pero higit pa doon, yung question ng identity. Dahil proven na ng NBI at proven na ng isa pang ahensya na Alice Guo at Guo Huaping, iisang tao lang kayo. At yun yung patuloy na pinagsisinungalingan mo sa komiteng ito. Therefore, the chair is citing Alice Guo alias Guo Huaping in contempt as seconded by Senator Joel.
Madam Chair,
SP Pro Tem Jinggoy.
let's give a chance for her to, a last chance for her to answer the question. Answer, Alice.
Ikaw ba daw si Guo Huaping?
Madam Chair, Sen, pasensya na po talaga. Ako po, si Alice Guo po.
Okay, well, pasensya din po. The chair cites Alice Guo alias Guo Huaping in contempt of this committee as
Hopefully-
seconded by Senator Joel. Yes,
Thank you.
Anyway,
Mayo?
she has been cited in contempt, but hindi kasi ako present sa past hearings ng Committee on Women, but has she been confronted with the documents of Guo Huaping? Napakita na sa kanya?
yes, Maino.
Kasi dapat may handwriting doon or may signature na allegedly coming from her, di ba? Did she deny or the signature? May entries doon na, may entries siguro doon na coming from the applicant, tama? Am I mistaken as NBI director?
You can flash the passport page, Maino, and then NBI Director Santiago, gusto niyo bang i-address itong matter, please?
Certainly, Your Honor, please. Yun pong sa signature, remember yung sa ACR niya, doon namin ibinase, ay meron pong iba ang signature niya doon. At dito sa NBI clearance na ibinigay namin sa kanya, iba rin po ang signature. Kasi bata pa siya nung yun hong sa ACR eh. Kaya we cannot rely on the signature. Pero ang fingerprint po, hindi po yan magbabago magmula ipanganak hanggang sa mamatayang tao.
Yes, but have we confronted her with the document and then asking her, did she accomplish the said document? Tanawin natin siya kasi hindi naman
po-
siguro siya musmus na bata na hindi na niya maalala no, may memory na siya noon eh.
Hindi po namin siya na-confront. Opo.
Okay. Kaya
And colleagues presented those same documents na fina-flash ko ulit dito kay Alice ko sa mga nakaraang hearings bago pa siya tumakas.
can we give her one last chance? I-flash yung document then and then I will ask her now if she remembers accomplishing the said document of Guo Huaping.
Madam Chair, I'm sorry, but I asked that question a while ago and she said no.
Can we flash the document? Used by the NBI. I mean, use the document, di ba? Where's the document? Please give her a chance. Pakita natin sa kanya. For fairness sake. And then, pero pag i-deny niya na hindi niya in-accomplish yun at what particular age, konbinsido na tayo din. Therefore, she's lying before us, di ba?
Meron po tayo ditong doctor's copy report na sinasabing identical ang fingerprints ni Alice Guo at ni Guo Huaping at na yung fingerprints na iyon ni Guo Huaping at ni Alice Guo were affixed by one and the same person. Do we have the supporting document na ginamit ng NBI para dito? Para ipakita ulit dahil ipinakita na natin dati kay Alice Guo. Miss Alice, extraordinary ito ha. Kayo lang yung naalala kong resource person na ipapakita namin paulit-ulit ang mga dokumento sa iyo. Dapat naman siguro suklian mo yung komite na magsabi ka na ng totoo. Hindi going the extra mile ang komite, pero kasi nangalingan pa rin ang sinusukli nyo. Comsec, do you have the supporting document on para i-project dito sa ating monitor, yung ginamit ng NBI to come to this conclusive opinion used in all courts of the Philippines, ang fingerprint matching.
Madam Chair,
Yes, Sir Joel.
while we are still waiting, and just to support the motion that was approved by this committee, Madam Chair, the Senate has sufficient, substantial, and damning evidence to support a conclusion, Madam Chair, that this witness is lying. Now, whether the court will bear it out later or not, that is the basis, Madam Chair. If this is the prevailing stance, then witness won't play around with the Senate. I think that is the only reason why we are doing this, because she's obviously playing around, Madam Chair. We have given her enough time, so many chances, Madam Chair. I have never seen a witness na ganito karami yung chance na binibigay natin magsabi ng katotohanan. Pero kung ayaw talaga, Madam Chair, she has to face the music.
Agree, Sen Joel. But Comsec, i-flash po natin please yung passport ni Guo Huaping para masagot niya yung one more chance na tanong ng minority leader.
While
Can
waiting,
you pull that up?
Madam
Yes,
Chair,
SP Pro Temp, Jinggoy.
habang hinihintay natin i-flash yung passport sa ano, I'll give you one more chance, Alice, tungkol sa death threat. Ha? Kailan mo na-receive yung tangka sa buhay mo?
Miss Alice.
I think mga bandang June po,
June of this month, of this year.
this year po.
Ilang beses?
More than 5 times po.
Kanino galing?
Through phone po.
Sino yung tumawag?
Sen, gustong-gusto ko po din i-discuss po sa inyo at humihingi din po ako ng pasensya po sa inyo. Natatakot din po talaga na i-disclose po sa public.
Kahit i-disclose mo sa amin through an executive session, katulad nga ni sinabi ni Senator Coco, malalaman din niya. Ngayon sabihin mo sa amin, sino yung source?
Opo, Sen, ang understanding ko po, pagka sinabi ko po sa inyo sa executive session po, hindi po lalabas. Kasi nagwo-worry po ako sa sarili ko.
Ganun din yun. Sabihin mo sa amin.
Sen, ako po kasi ang Senate hearing po natatapos pero natatakot po kasi ako sa magiging buhay ko.
Ano ka tinatakot nung kausap mo sa telepono? How do you threaten?
Ko po muna i-discuss po sa public po.
No.
Opo.
You,
Pasensya na po talaga, Sen.
how were you threatened? Yun lang tanong ko, how were you threatened?
Hindi ko po siya may discuss po sa public po, Sen. Pasensya na po talaga.
Talaga makukulong ka. Madam Chair, if just in case the court will allow the Senate to be detained here, I would like to raise this motion to immediately commit her at the Pasay City Jail.
Salamat, Senate President Pro Tempore. Before that matter will be deliberated, we have a pending citation in contempt by the chair, seconded by Sen Joel. And so Alice, one last chance dito sa ipinapakita namin ulit na passport, page ng passport mo. Sagutin mo yung tanong ni Sen Coco, ikaw ba ito?
Madam Chair, ako po si Alice ko po.
No, hindi yan ang tanong ko sa inyo. Ang tanong ko po ay, meron kang monitor sa harap mo, kita mo yung page ng passport. Kayo ba yan sa photo na yan? At asking yung pangalan nyo. Alam na namin, Guo Huaping. Ito ba ay ikaw?
Madam Chair, meron pong pending case po sa akin po.
You answer. All right, you are not taking the many one last chances na binibigay ng committee ito sa iyo. You are denying your identity as Guo Huaping. So may I
Madam Chair,
return to
Major,
yes, minority
she was
leader.
trying to invoke something. What are you invoking? For your refusal to answer, what are you invoking?
Sen, may pending cases na po kasi sa akin sa court po. Ang understanding ko po, lahat po ng sasabihin ko po dito may incriminating my own self po.
Okay, this one. Ito, saan ito maka-incriminate? What particular case? Kailangan may particularity. Hindi
Opo.
pwedeng wala.
Opo, kasi may final po sa akin sa citizenship po na issue po sa court po.
Citizenship.
I think there is 7 pending cases po sa korte po ngayon. Isa na po dyan yung citizenship po.
Hindi kasi kunyari may kaso ka ng estapa, hindi naman connected sa estapa yan. So hindi mo pwede sabihin may kaso ko sa korte. You have to specify. Saan ka ma-incriminate na ang sagot mo magagamit to prove your guilt sa isang criminal case? Which one?
Sen, pasensya na po. Mali po pala yung nasabi ko po kanina, di pala citizenship. Ang dapat po pala COMELEC po.
COMELEC.
May na-file na po na pending case po sa COMELEC po.
Material misrepresentation case, siguro criminal case.
Yes po, criminal case po.
Okay. At bakit related ito?
Yan lang po yung alam ko po na may pending cases po sa COMELEC po.
But actually, Madam Chair, this appears to be a document issued by the People's Republic of China. I'm requesting for that ACR. Yung atin, the Philippine form. Philippine form accomplished by a child supposed to be, but a child with consciousness already. Who happens to be the younger Alice Go, yun yung theory ninyo. Pero gusto ko ipakita natin sa kanya.
Comsec, pwede ba nating i-flash ulit yung ACR na yon at ipakita ulit kay Alice Go?
Madam Chair.
Yes, and Rafi. Unrelated questions.
Noong August 27, 2024 hearing, page 141 of the transcript, inamin ni Sheila Goo na meron 2 passport si Alice Goo. So that means dual citizen siya? Chinese and Filipino?
Alright, salamat Sen. Rafi sa pagpapaalala. So dual citizen pala kayo kahit sa pagkaalam ni Miss Sheila Goo sa paalala ni Sen. Rafi. And in fact, alam niyo ba na hindi pinapayagan ng dual citizenship sa China? Dito lang sa Pilipinas meron na ganyan. Pero sa China, bawal yun eh. And yet, you have both Filipino and Chinese passports sa testimonya ni Sheila Goo.
Madam Chair, I have only one Filipino passport po.
Yes, you have only one Filipino passport, but you have a Chinese passport.
Wala po akong Chinese passport po.
Okay, Comsec, pwede natin ipakita yung hinihingi naming ACR before we act on we finalize the motion of the chair seconded by Sen. Joel. Okay, so baka pwedeng, yan na ba yung pinakamalaki? Alright, so ito po ang ACR for...
Hindi na yan musmus na bata, di ba? May consciousness na yung nakalitrato dyan eh. O yan ang tanong natin kay Alice Goo. Alice, naalala mo na in-accomplish mo yung form na yan, na nag-fingerprint ka pa, voluntarily dyan, linagay mo. Naalala mo o hindi?
Sen, wala pa ako naalala na ganun na dokumento po ginawa.
Okay.
Ang incredulous man mo. Pati yung tagman niya dyan, looks like yung tagman niya sa iba pang mga dokumento.
That's it, Madam Chair. That convinces me of the lying. So, I think, tapos na po yung ano nyo eh. Na-declare nyo na siya in contempt eh. Nag-elaborate lang naman ako na, tapos na po, na-declare nyo na po siya. On the lying pa ito, not on the refusal to answer dun sa death threat. So, sorry, Alice, I gave you a chance. You mean to say, pati yung paglalagay ng fingerprint mo ron, hindi mo naalala. So, medyo, ano na po yun, medyo, too difficult to, masyado nang mahirap paniwalaan na, paano, tulog ka, kinuha ang fingerprints mo, pinilit ka. I mean, it's too much, but, hindi na po sanggol yung nandun sa litrato. So, with that, Mr. Chair, it puts to rest your contempt citation of the resource person. Thank you.
Madam Chair. Isa lang, Madam Chair, if I may.
Salamat kaayo, Mayno. SP Pro Temp, Jigoy, nag-return to
Pam-mark ka dyan. Ilang taon ka?
Sen, wala pa ako maalala na nag-thumbprint po ako niyan.
Pam-mark ba niyan? Hindi mo maalala na nag-thumb-mark ka? Ilang taon ka nung nag-thumb-mark ka dyan? Siguro, you do not know how old were you?
Wala pa ako naalala, Sen, na may ginawa pa akong thumb mark po sa ganung papel po.
May pirma ba yan? May pirma?
May pirma.
Did you sign it? Did you sign it? Wala ka rin maalala na pinirmahan mo? Ha?
Wala po.
Sa ACR.
Pirma mo ba yan?
Punta natin ulit yung ACR.
Pirma mo.
Yes, ipakita natin yung kaninang ACR form, yung may photo, fingerprints at saka pirma.
Oh, yan, may signature. Is that your signature?
So ang pinapakita natin, yung fingerprints ni Alice Go, pero nung kinumpara ng NBI dun sa fingerprints ni Go Huaping, identical, matched po.
Teka muna pala.
Madam Chair.
No, let her answer. Is that your signature, Alice?
Pati.
Doon sa under po ng picture po, signature ko po yun, pero hindi ko po alam paano nangyari po yun.
Paano hindi mo alam paano nangyari yun?
Hindi ko po talaga alam, Sen.
Hindi mo alam na pinirmahan mo, pirma mo yan?
Sen, hindi po, wala pa akong pinirmahan po ng ganung dokumento, pero signature ko po siya. Pero wala pa ako na pirmahan po ng ganung dokumento.
Confirm mo na signature mo yan sa form na yan.
Kino-confirm ko lang po, Madam Chair, yung signature po under po ng picture is my signature.
But you don't remember when you signed that
Wala po ako
paper?
wala pa akong ginawa na ganun po.
It is impossible to fake fingerprints. Kinonfirm mo na pirma mo yan, yung fingerprints dito at yung fingerprints dun sa dokumento ni Go Huaping ay na-match ng NBI. Iisang tao lamang po. Yun po yun.